Preventive maintenance for excavators is crucial for ensuring the longevity, reliability, and optimal performance of excavators. Here are some essential preventive maintenance tips for excavators. Number 1. Visual inspection. Check for visible signs of leaks, damage, or wear and tear. Inspect hydraulic hoses, connections, and fittings for any issues. Number 2. Fluid levels. Check engine oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, and fuel levels. Top off if necessary. Ensure proper lubrication of all moving parts. Number 3. Filters. Check and replace air, fuel, and hydraulic filters as needed. Number 4. Undercarriage. Inspect the undercarriage components, such as rollers, idlers, and sprockets, for wear and tension. Clean out debris, mud, and rocks stuck in the tracks. Visit our website, celiarconstructionequipment.com, or contact us at 214-773-0207.